Hey, if you're looking for a house on a pond lot, ready to roll, ready to move in, pack your bags, pack your crap, get in the house. It could be yours in 30 days. We got a winner for you today.
And not just one winner, we got two winners.
Oh, yeah?
Both of them are under 450. They're both pretty much the same floor plan. One has a hood, one doesn't.
Yeah.
So we're going to see the one that doesn't right now.
Okay.
And actually, the one that has the hood is a little bit less.
Yeah, and this one here, man, across the street is nothing. So there's no houses right across the street. So great while you're in the front and the back of the house.
Yep.
If we haven't met Jeff, Gregg, and Mark Klim with Charleston Area Living, doing everything around Summerville, Charleston real estate market, I want to talk a little bit about Cane Bay because this really is one of our favorite areas for a bunch of reasons.
Yeah, I live in Cane Bay Plantation myself, not in this particular subsection because there's 25 different subsections, almost, I think it's 21 to be honest. But I think, right around that number.
There's over 20. We make it up as we go.
Right.
There's a bunch.
And you could golf cart from here all the way to the front of the neighborhood. You got your Publix up there, Famularies, new Italian restaurant, Deep Dish, Chicago Pizza. It's wonderful. You got a doctor up there, a veterinarian up there, an eye doctor. You got physical therapy, Chick-fil-A.
Jesus chicken at the front of the neighborhood by golf cart.
Starbucks, an AT&T store, 2 banks. Like, you literally could not leave this neighborhood if you didn't.
There's going to be 2 grocery stores. So the Publix is here now. And then across the way is going to be a Lowe's Foods. Not Lowe's like Swing and Hammer type thing. A Lowe's really high-end grocery store. Really nice.
Drink your wine.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
That's going to be great.
And then one cool thing about this neighborhood, a lot of people don't even realize this, but Cane Bay has grown so much and it's so big that they ran out of some seats for kids in the schools. So there's Cane Bay Elementary, Middle, and High School.
That's right.
And not all neighborhoods in Cane Bay, now these can always change based on the school lines, but not all neighborhoods go to the Cane Bay schools anymore. This one does. So if you want to be in Cane Bay and be able to take your kids by golf cart to school, this is a winner for you.
Yeah. And then, just to add to that, you can, golf cart all the way up to Nexton if you had a good enough battery. Like you said, the Lowe's is going in there.
Yep.
There's a Buffalo Wild Wing right across the street. Dunkin' Donuts,
garlic parm,
right?
boneless wings.
Yeah. So you got all of that stuff and one of the largest YMCAs across the country, but I think it's the largest in the Southeast that has an indoor swimming pool. We have tons of events in this neighborhood.
Yeah.
One of them,
A library.
yeah, and a library.
There's a library right here in the neighborhood.
One of them is right there at the YMCA. It's the 4th of July festivities. It goes from like 1 in the afternoon until midnight.
Bonkers event.
$20,000 in fireworks. It's crazy. So lots to do around here. But for now, I think we should go check out this out.
Let's roll. So Mark, before we go inside, I want to show across the street here. So this is kind of cool. It's got a whole kind of area going down here where there would have been like 10 houses or so that is nothing directly across the street from you.
I don't think the lots were deep enough over there.
Yeah.
So they had to, give up some land, but it's nice because it's, throw the golf ball, throw the football around out there. I got golf on the brain today.
Have you seen the new sport where it's got like, those things that you have that you can throw a tennis ball for a dog to go chase? There's ones now that you could use at golf courses. You throw the ball with one of them deals. I want to go try that.
Yeah, that would be fun. Well, today, this is the Holly 2 plan. They made a Holly plan, and then they made some adjustments to it. So they call it the Holly 2 now. And it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,599 square feet. Let's just call it 2,600 square feet.
Yep.
For under $450.
Got a good price.
Usually at this price, we're only seeing 2,000 square foot houses. So you're getting an extra 500 square feet.
So do you think that's because they're finishing out this neighborhood and they want to move on out of town?
I think so. I think they want to move these product. They don't want to sit on it. And they just want to finish this neighborhood and get on to the next one. So we're seeing some good, decent deals.
But you're honestly, sometimes I wonder if people think, hey, the best lots are at the beginning of when a neighborhood. This is one of the best lots. We're back here on a pond across from nothing.
Yeah, across from nothing, on a pond with the woods behind.
Yeah.
So let's go check this out. A little bit of a porch here. You can fit at least one rocking chair here. The ceiling.
I could send my kids to timeout out here. Oh, I like these floors.
I know you have a really good neighbor in this one because we sold them the home.
Oh.
He's from New Jersey, so it'll be great.
Yeah.
But you got a little bit of a drop down area up there.
You could easily do something here with like a bench and hooks kind of a deal.
I think that would be great. We got a coat closet right here. Half bathroom to the front. I agree. Yeah, lovely coolness. And check out the fireplace.
Oh, they put is it electric or gas?
That was the electric, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, I can tell what is the width.
Yeah. So this, I don't know where the remote is. We can't show you now. But this, my guess is you can light this thing up with different colored flames and
Blue, green,
yeah,
purple,
make it all
yellow,
pretty.
Plus the shiplap was nice, and they already piped it so that you could have your HDMI code come through.
Yeah.
And it comes out here, and you can have a little.
Okay, so if you're old school and you had like a DVD player or something, you could put it down. I don't think anybody has DVD players anymore.
Well, a lot of people do surround sound still, though.
Well, that's true.
So you put your receiver down here, run your wires up to the TV and all of that.
And I like the windows right on either side of it. It really kind of centers the fireplace really nicely.
Yeah. But this one doesn't have the hood.
Okay.
And actually, the other one is a little bit cheaper that has the hood. Just because that one's been sitting a little bit longer.
Okay.
So we're not going to show you both. But this is a high quality.
That's very nice.
Obviously, we'll have a door for you. When
That would take forever to cook a pizza if you didn't have a door on it. Why is the house so hot? Every
this
time I
is
try
the
to cook.
heater for the house.
Yeah. Yes, there's no furnace in this house.
Yeah.
That's why it's such a good deal.
Yeah. KitchenAid products, though. I mean, you can tell just by the solid doors.
And look at all the buttons. That's at least 20 buttons.
You love them.
I do like buttons. The more buttons, the better it is.
Decent reach in the pantry here.
Yep, that's big enough.
You've got a little drop zone right here. And then O2 the garage. Punch out the steps. Should the garage door height. No tankless in this one. So this is the actual tank.
Oh, okay. Let's tuck back in the corner on the way there. Yep. I like that it's back in that little cubby there because Andrea would struggle with hitting it. She's not so good at parking. She's had problems in the past.
Notice the two-tone cabinets. So you've got the tan in the middle and light all around the outside. And put the fancy gold.
Yeah, I like these.
Mm-hmm.
I don't love the gold.
Yeah, I'm not a gold.
But I like all the other colors they've done in here.
It's a neat trend, yeah. So check out this block line.
Oh, this is great.
So you got woods back there, pond right here. These are your stakes for your yard. So plenty of room. Like if you wanted to put a pool in, you could probably put a pool in too.
Yeah, this is lovely.
There is a pool in the neighborhood as well as a playground up towards the front of the neighborhood. So you have that option as well.
Oh, look, they didn't even do carpet on the
Yeah, you get the oak trend.
on the stairs. That's nice. Oh, big space.
Yeah, lots of room up here. I like how they did the spindles instead of the sheetrock right here.
Oh yeah, makes them feel more open.
Yep. And then all three bedrooms are upstairs there. Why don't you go into that one?
So this is one of the secondaries, but I like how there's a little extra space here. Reaching closet.
You're gonna like the laundry and floor deck.
Oh, is it that tile I like?
Yep. So you got a secondary bathroom there, and then another secondary bedroom here. Laundry room, and I believe this is the HVAC closet as well.
Yep. Yeah, I really do like this tile floor. So really great that this is in the conditioned space. So you don't have this unit up in the attic. And look at this extra fresh air system. Really makes a big difference when this unit isn't sitting up in a, 170 degree attic.
As you know from your pocket.
I do.
So this is a big space.
It is.
King bed, and end tables without question, no problem.
Could totally do a couch in here, some extra chairs, a sitting area, whatever you want.
I feel like this is where a lot of that extra square footage is.
Yeah.
This one has a tub and a shower. Then you got the frosted glass there, so you can still,
Oh, yeah.
You got the porch countertop for the tan, and then a big flunk.
Look at this.
Fancy.
It is fancy. Well, it's got a
Turbo.
So that's a turbo. Oh, Andrea would be so happy if there was a turbo fan in our bathroom.
I think decent that.
Yeah, really big. So there's separate heating units, not separate units, but different zones, so that you don't have to have the downstairs and the upstairs the same temperature.
Yep.
This is a really nice primary suite.
Yeah, I could live in these.
And then your view out, your primary window, back to the woods and the pond. Nice house.
Yeah, that's it for this one.
So, Mark, a couple really ready to move in, nice houses, decent prices compared to what we've seen here in Cane Bay. And behind us here, great pool, really cool playground over there. This is a great neighborhood.
Yeah, I love the neighborhood. I love the quality of the builds.
Yeah.
Very efficient homes. I love that master bedroom.
Yeah.
That thing was huge.
Yep.
I wish I had that much room.
Yes, I wish mine was that big, and then having that. I like the extra little cubby area in the secondary bedroom, but one of the big deals for me, I mentioned in the video we're walking through, is that air conditioner, the unit in the conditioned space. I just paid about $3,000 to have mine fixed because mine is up in the attic and it was sweating too much, and so having it down in the conditioned space is really a big deal.
Yeah. Well, if you want to know more about this community or any community in Cane Bay or the Charleston area or Mount Pleasant area, we would love to help you. Down in the description, you can click on the link that says book a Zoom call. We would love to, chat with you, figure out what the lifestyle you want to live is here, and what is your budget. Some people have $1 million budget. Some people only have a $400,000 budget.
Yeah.
We've got homes in both of those price ranges, so for sure, we would love to help you out.
One thing we want you to really do is like and subscribe to the channel. That really does help us out. Lets you get notified whenever there's new videos out. We're doing them every week. Also, Tuesday nights at 7 o'clock, we're doing live videos, answering your questions live on YouTube. So check that out. And last thing is, don't come into these neighborhoods unrepresented. You want to roll in with the realtor the first time you come in. It makes life much easier. Schedule a Zoom call the way Mark told you to do it, and we can talk through what that looks like.
Till next time.
See you.
See ya.